Welcome to A2Z AMC Training Series. In today's video, we will talk about how a lender will be informed if an appraisal order is cancelled by the AMC operational admin or by because of any reasons from the appraiser's end. So as we have a project that is we have an appraisal order that is in progress, and you can see the status of this appraisal order that it was submitted, it was payment was clear, and it is on progress. It was even on the hold, and now it is on progress. Now we'll see what happens if an appraisal order is cancelled. Okay, so as this appraisal order was cancelled and what was the reason, it is defined, and even the refund was issued, and even the reason is defined. So you can see in the transaction that there was a refund for this specific person that was done outside the system, and they will be recorded over here. Status update show this status that is cancelled. Sorry, status update shows that the status is cancelled and refund is issued. You can see over here as well, it says cancelled. And if you go on the main screen, it shows that the project status is cancelled. So that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching.